Okay, so I'm attempting to rebuild or to fix my FG driver's side door window switches. The passenger one was going up, but it wasn't going down, and the passenger window on the door would actually, the switch would actually make it go up and down. So obviously the contacts get dirty. This used to happen on the AUs, and you could clean them pretty easily. These are a different design, but as you can see, these little rockers pull out. So see those little silver tabs? Just give them a bit of a clean. That would be where the problem is, the contacts. So after that, just sits back on there and clips in, as you can see. There's the tags. One tag there, and the same on that side and that side. There's the tags there. So we'll give it all a bit of a clean, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so just how I showed you just previously, cleaned all the tabs. I clicked it all back in together. Just make sure when you open these up, open them up on the floor and try to lift them out straight above each other, because all those little rockers will just fall out on the floor, and if you've got it on an area where you can lose them, it's pretty much a new one. So let's plug it in now. We'll just put the window switch part on, plug in, and that's working once again. So it was just dirty contacts. As you can see, passenger window goes up and down where it would go down before, but it won't go back up. So it was just a matter of dirty connections. I'll give you a rundown now how it all goes back together. So just make sure this is all clipped in well. Your electrical connectors. Put your mirror line back in. Yeah, so they're all clipped in. This goes in top first. There's a little tag there. Push that in there, and that clips in like that. Then we get the holder for your hand to open the door. Just push that down, and this screw is a T25. So when you're pulling it apart, just do all this in reverse and you'll be right. It's pretty simple. That's it. And then just put this rubber piece back in. Now it's got some tags here. 1, 2, 3. And they just clip in under here. And then just push the rubber bit back in. All right, that's all done. So okay, everything's working, as you can see.